BGS. Hi, here's your BGS Michael. BGS has expanded the range of LED work lamps for you. These lights have the latest technology on the market and illuminate absolutely every area. I'll show you now how this works in practice. We will start with the LED work lamp 9767 from BGS Technique. This lamp has the following features. When you turn on the rotary wheel, you have working lights. You can set it as you need it. If you press the switch, you can change to ultraviolet light. You can also set it as you need it. With this light you can detect leaks or liquids in the engine bay or on the vehicle. And with the work lamp you can easily illuminate any work area. At the end it has a swiveling magnet, and at the top the lamp has a hook to hang up. Now we come to the LED work lamp 6660, which is identical to the 9767. The only difference is that the lamp has a yellow light with which you can see dents in the car body. So now I've brought you the LED bonnet lamp with the item number 9757. And let's see what this lamp can do. You can switch the light strips number 1, number 2 on and off on both sides, no problem. You can swivel the ends by 180 degrees, so you can fix the lamp to the bonnet with the built-in magnets. Not only with the magnets, but also with hooks on the left and right. In addition, you can swivel the light bar again. Now we come to the absolute highlight of BGS Technique, namely the LED bonnet lamp 85306, a great device. You can extend the lamp once with a bend. So you have 2 stick lights overall. A highlight is you can adapt this lamp to the engine. You can take them off and adjust them. You won't damage the bonnet because the ends are covered with foam. Fantastic! You can also remove the 2 stick lights. The flashlight have 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. There's a hook at the top, which you can hang them up with. With this and the other LED work lamps that we saw in this video, your work area is super illuminated. A must-have for your workshop. Stay tuned, your BGS Michael.